During this pandemic time, the person who was suffering through this pandemic time, that is a student or unemployed person. Hello everyone, I'm Gautam Kumar here to tell you today about Oberai's interview. Oberai's interview are mainly OCLD, OSER. So today we'll talk about OCLD. What is OCLD? OCLD is Oberoi Center of Learning and Development. It is a management training program which is offered by OCLD. It is categorized into four parts as per the department. First one is guest service management, front office and food and beverage department. It is a 2 years training program. After completion of 2-year training program, directly employee can enter in as an operational executive in F&B or front office. Second is housekeeping management program. It is also a 2 years course program. After completing a 2 years program, we can directly enter as a housekeeping executive. Third one is kitchen management. Kitchen management, it is also a 2-year program. After completing this, employee get entered directly as an kitchen executive. And fourth one is sales management. Actually it's a 18-month program. It means 1.5 year program. After completing this, we can directly enter in sales department. So next is journey of OCLD. Journey of OCLD is also categorized into 3 parts. So first one is foundation stage, second one is intermediate stage, and third one is executive stage. In these 3 stages will be judged as an by curriculum activities or practical trainings. Next we'll talk about recruitment process for Oberai's Hotel, that is OCLD. It is classified into so many rounds. So I'll tell you one by one. Round 1. It's a group introduction round. In group introduction round, it is also categorized into 3 parts. First one is self introduction, second partner introduction, and third one is question based introduction. Second round is personal interview round. In personal, after clearing personal interview round, mainly they will ask you a technical question, I think, and after clearing this, we'll get a chance to give an interview for OCLD or OSER. OSER, what is OSER? OSER is Oberoi Center Employment Register. Next is third round, that is online psychometric test. It's a online aptitude test. Next we have round 4, that is interview with hotel general manager. It means head of the hotel. They will take your interview. They will decide that you have to enter in OSER or OCLD. Next we have to give 5th round, that is semi-final day. That day we have to be your best and participate in group activity. 2 group activity. First one is British Council round or second online aptitude test. After this there will be an interview with OCLD. Next, round 6. In round 6 there is a final round with the Oberai's group of panel. With Mr. Oberai's and their panels. After this, you will be a part of Oberai's. But for the kitchen person who are applied for kitchen, they have to give two trade tests. First one after GM round and second one after semi-final day. So these are for the today's. If this video is informative for you, then please like the video, subscribe the channel, and the most important thing, share this video in everywhere. See you. Bye bye.